Metong karing pipunpunan ni masiring climate change, ing makarakalata naman ang masisira at mapuputot. Nung alis sobra ing pali istong kaleldo, lulbog naman istong kauran, uli ning bagya-bagya lang magigisan deniya. Ketiking labod Kapampangan, metong ing grupong Save the Trees Coalition naman nalakaran para king kalikasan.
Yung panguntangin na nakapali. Itang mumunang shield mo on environmental protections, may wala yapin din tanaman. And then, pagtaka mo pa, during the rainy season, dalbog ta naman, which is another role of the tree on how we can prevent the flooding.
Samantala kaya biya ka rin maging sangkan at mumuli ka nuking pamamutod punta naman ing development. Lakwas na ding road widening.
Pag nagkaroon ng widening, pinatamaan yung puno, naiiwan sa gitna. Okay. So may proseso po naman yan. Diba? Hindi natin kayang pigilin yung development dito sa Region 3.
Agpangkang Department of Public Works and Highways o DPWH Region 3 Director Roseler Tolentino, nung sakaling kailangan na milakopon ka rin karelang proyekto, midadaw ng relocation nung malyari ro pang Isalbareni. Aparti pa kanini at inlalaman ka ng reforestation program kambiang Department of Environment and Natural Resources.
Kaming DPWH, mayroong corresponding amount na binabayaran ng contractor. Pag tinanggal mo yung isang puno, mayroong 100 pieces ata. Isang puno, 100 seedlings na binibigay namin sa DNR para sa reforestation.
Samantala, metong kareng pakabantendang iniring aguman na Save the Trees Coalition ing MacArthur Highway. Nasaraan nung pigilan ng development, ikonsidera na ng gobyerno yung aliwang opsyon king karelang pamagplano.
You advocate making government. When we do planning, let's consider the other option na lila damage or tayo sacrificing kaya tamong environmental kay. I think kakayamin mo rin eh. Kasi pwede tayo, for example, in other country, just like in Japan, so they, instead na cutting down tree, bubolt dala to transfer them from other place. Kaya tama naman, they made promises from the people that they were going to replace them. But until now, alang program na atin labang kapalit talaga dito may walang tanaman.
Amo yung tandala naman ding anak kataliwapang individual, seryoswan dat pakatutukan ing karelang pamananam, lakwas na't maralas na remedaraon at tree planting activities. Ako, Inke Kointalasuyo, Liana Canilaw, ating pusong makabalin.